Hi, welcome back to Paradigm Shift Tarot. This is Devrupa. All my Aqua people, how are you all doing? This reading is for you. This is from 15th to the 28th of February 2021. Also, a very happy birthday for those who have their sun in this sign, because I feel you just went through your birthday phase. So, also, we are in the Aquarius age right now, if you don't know about it. If you want me to make a video on that, let me know. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, because that means a lot. If you like my videos, comment, let me know. If you want to dig deep and know more about your life then and want to ask some questions, you can always book a personal reading through my email ID given down below in the description box. These are general readings, so they may not resonate for all of you, but if they do, let me know. And you can also check your other signs like sun, moon, Venus or rising. You will find all the videos down in my channel. So let's see for my Aqua people from 15th to 28th. We will take a look into your recent past, your current energies, and also your near future. King of Wands could be dealing with a Leo, Sag or Aries. Could be dealing with the Leo, Page of Wands, Fool, Judgment. Okay, this talks about some sort of a situation in your life that you already know is dead done, but you are still, there is some sort of attachment to it still now. Okay, you know that it has ended and it has no elsewhere to go, and still you can't take that leap of faith, you can't take that new beginning. Yes, you are longing for a new beginning, you want a new beginning in life, you want something to move forward in your life, but you are not being able to do so because you are holding on to some sort of pain or some person in your life. Okay, this could be a Leo, Sagittarius or Aries. You very well know that things are not going to move forward, and with this person you feel like you don't see things clearly, you don't know who this person is. Sometimes they act very nicely, sometimes they act very bad, sometimes means they're very moody, or you just don't understand which side of them to take or which side of them to not take. And with the Six of Swords, it talks about moving on, healing a situation. Okay, I feel like yes, in the situation there were happiness and you are holding on to those happy memories. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius or a Libra. Also with this Two of Swords, with the King of Wands, Page of Wands, yes, I feel like whenever you are with this person, your creativity is blocked, your imaginations are blocked, your opportunities towards life are blocked. The Four of Pentacles and the Sun, you guys shared a lot of happy memories together, there was passion at some point. Okay, and now there is nothing and things are dead done with that person in your life. This person gives you a lot of anxiety, this person has a very wishy-washy energy, you can't sleep at night thinking of them, the situation. They love conflict, they love confronting with you, they're very jealous as well. With the Six of Swords, I feel like see, energies could be vice versa or interchangeable. These are general readings, so don't take it personally. And with the Six of Swords, I feel like yes, you need to heal from something, you need to heal from some aspect of your life, or you need to move on from something, but you can't move on because you are still holding on to that situation. Even from 15 to 28, I see you guys holding on to that situation so tight that you are unable to take that leap of faith, and I feel like it has been your pattern for a long time now. See, in this Two of Swords card, this woman is like wearing a blindfold. That's why she is like, I'm stuck, I can't see anything. But once she will open that blindfold, she can see the new lands behind her. Okay, so I feel like this is the same with you. You are the only one who is holding on to it. You are the only one who is blindfolding themselves from the truth. You can't see the truth because you are being blinded by something. Okay, you are being blinded by the happy memories that you had with this person. But you have to understand something: with time everything changes, and change is inevitable. And when things change, you need to let go of things. Maybe this person is stubborn as well. Maybe you want to move on, you want to heal the situation, but this person never goes away from your mind space, from your life. And this person never gives you everything, never gives you fully, but this person even don't give you the freedom to go and fetch new things. Okay, also whenever you are with this person, things are a little blocked. With the Judgment card, I feel like you guys went through a breakup phase, or there was a lot of conflict regarding it. You guys broke up, again came back, and again broke up. But you felt it was a false beginning. Okay, if you guys broke up and again patched up, I feel like it was a false beginning. You thought, yes, this person maybe this time has passion and love for me, but it was all the same. Energies were all the same, things were not even changed at all. Okay, and you are literally hurt with the situation at this time. But with the Sun card and all these cards, I feel like yes, 15 to 28 could be a little bit of hard, because you trying to move on but you still can't move on, and that I clearly see. If it is your job, I feel like there is some sort of new job that was supposed to come, or new offer that was supposed to come into your life, that was been blocked, that is blocked right for now. That is not coming up. Okay, maybe there was some business partnership that needed to happen, and someone needed to make an offer, or like send a brochure or something, but it was not sent to you because there is a resistance, like spirits don't want it to happen right now, because sometimes things don't happen to us maybe because we are not prepared for that yet, and that is for our good. We just cry on over it and we say, God, why didn't this happen? But you have to understand something: if it is not happening right now, maybe because you are not prepared for it. And with this set of cards, I strongly see that maybe you are not prepared for something. Okay, and there is a preparation period that you need to go through, and taking a leap of faith in a situation is very important, especially if it is regarding your past or someone you are dealing with who has a very on and off or type of a vibe. Then you need to clarify things, say things out, and stop holding on to good memories, because yes, they were good at some point, but now they are not. Live into present, not in the past. Okay, that's what I will suggest for you, my Aqua people. Let's see if I can get some oracle messages for you guys. One card fell down. Let's see. Perspective, and we also got the service. Service with an open heart is a key to satisfaction. Yes, I feel like you could be providing service to someone, or you have like you generally in general help people out. Okay, or if it is you, then you could be asking for help from someone. And with the perspective, examine your situation from a higher perspective. Just don't go by the fights, just don't go by what memories you had, but you try to take a broader perspective, try to take a big spectrum. Okay, means if you have like a situation where you have only two options, you have explored only two options, you are going to make a decision. Before making a decision, try out 5-6 options. Consider all the other methods that you have to consider, all other things that you could do to take things back in the situation. Okay, to make things right in the situation, and then go forward it. Okay, go forward, go towards it. Okay, but before that, you need to take a bigger perspective.